3.
Okay, so as you see, the thermostat is not working anymore. We need to replace the thermostat. We don't know the model, we don't know the brand, but we don't need to know. We're just going to put the Universal from AKO. We take the old thermostat, we take it out, and we're going to make a hole on the panel with a disc, the glasses, and we're going to install an AKO instead. Now how we do it? We're going to rewire it to the thermostat with a new sensor, temperature sensor, and it's going to work like this. I'm going to wire it, the neutral, this is the phase with a jump to the compressor, on the common with and the last one is for the compressor. Okay. Okay, now that we plug it, we're going to adjust it, the parameter, the defrost. We're going to turn it to Fahrenheit. Okay, program. First P7 to put it on Fahrenheit. Now the set point is 32, we're going to put 35. with C1 is the differential going to be 4. So it will stop at 35 and start at 39. You can do 5 degree difference. Now the defrost every 6 hours, we put 30 minutes. Okay. This is okay. Now exit program, and we're ready to go. Now you can wait